Here, I can hold it.
Hello, my name is Hernando de Soto, and I was born in Jerez de los Caballeros, Spain. In 1496, I discovered and crossed the Mississippi River and was the lead captain of the expedition of La Florida. I was raised by a noble but poor family. I went to the University of Salamanca for education, but my family wanted me to become a lawyer. I told my father I wanted to explore the West Indies for riches. In 1514, at the age of 18, I was invited to join Dalavia, the governor of Darien, on an expedition to the West Indies. I was an excellent horseman and was appointed as captain of a Carolina exploration troop. I thought we didn't find the West Indies. We did lots of trading with the Native Americans. I was having a great life when I heard of an upcoming expedition. I sold all my belongings and decided to do another expedition. This time I took 10 ships and 700 men. I knew that because I would need them, so if I ran into an enemy, I would be prepared. On April 6, 1538, the crew and I departed Santor, Spain, and started to sail to America. My fleet and I stopped in Cuba. We were delayed by helping the city of Havana recover from the French after the French sacked and burned it. Finally, on May 18, 1539, we finally sailed for Florida. Then finally, 7 days later, we found Florida and docked at Tampa Bay. Then the next 3 years, we explored the southern states. It was Florida, then Georgia, and then Alabama. Then we discovered my worst battle yet, the Indians in Tuscaloosa, but we won the battle after that. Then we found the mouth of the Mississippi River. After we crossed it, I was struck with a bad fever on May 21st, 1542. I felt badly ill and died in it, and I had decided in my will I would give over the expedition to Luis de Mosco, a member of my crew, to be the new leader of the expedition. I had a great life exploring the United States, claiming land for the Spanish.